Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. So if you are here joining with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like button so me to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer before we start. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning over here, make sure you have your own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right. So again, we're gonna start with BMKLC. Looks like today market's a little bit calm already. Okay, so the overall stock stopped to drop further as far as I know. Okay, the stock that I'm looking into, but of course it's definitely it's not a sign of bullish so we still need to see whether there is one of the short-term reversals coming or not. Okay, so again, if you look into the FBM KLCI, my view is going to be the same. 1590 will have some sort of training market. I will still think that probably right now is still we're going to range over here. So this morning, now it's only 9:30. It's only 30 minutes of today. Today this opening over here. So I cannot really tell, but of course this short-term gap here probably will provide a little bit of resistance. All right. So I still think the market is not that. Even though today is calm, but definitely it's not sound bullish. Reversal, I don't think so yet. Okay, so hopefully later on towards the lunchtime, we're able to tell some of the counters that maybe they will have some sort of so-called reversal pattern is forming. Okay, now there's overall for Bursa, FBM, KLCI. Let's go into the indices over here. Okay, mostly it's in green, only risk and telecommunications. Again, I said today market start to show a bit calm already. So let's see whether got a opportunity or not. Okay, at least for 1-2 weeks time frame. Okay, to have a long-term bull run, I still don't think so. But technical rebound, I think will happen anytime soon because market has been dropped badly. Okay, now let's look into some stock. Let me know if you got any counters that you interested. For me, I only watch the few counters that we keep talking about. Last few, I think like MSM is one of the. Wow, but MSM is dropped badly, yeah. Okay, didn't notice the closing. Okay, so if let's say drop below 2040s, I'm going to stay away first. We're going to watch out until when the sub is more ready yet. Okay, so today again, if you notice, right, most of the counters. Again, I didn't really monitor a lot of counters in here. I see the few that I'm watching. Today is a green bar, yes, but morning wise, I think the volume is still lack of it. Okay, normally, let's say if you see some trends coming in or maybe reversals coming in, volume should be higher. Even though now it's the first 30 minutes, but I feel that's still very low volume. So that's why I think better watch out first. So, okay, let me know any counters, okay, because to be fair, I don't have any specific counters that I can really look into. Okay, so this is some of the trade signals that I have currently. I think HT Padu kind of a bit steady right now. Okay, a bit steady right now. Okay, so at least, but they are still downtrend. Okay, no reversal setup yet. Okay, potentially forming right now. So here will be your immediate support. Okay, right. So maybe we wait for more so-called strength signal coming back. Some pullback forming somewhere around here. I think will be good. Okay, so far, but I don't think it's a confirmation of reversal for HT Padu. Okay, but again, definitely good to watch out. Maybe another few more days of week time. Okay, Cambrass liquid counters, no. Padini also, I think the other day someone asked. All right, so still holding around this 1.8 zone. Okay, still good. Okay, MSC. Okay, do let me know any counters you are looking into. To be frank, I still got nothing much. Okay, today is a calm market. All right, maybe later towards the lunchtime or towards the end of daytime. Yeah, we probably will screen some so-called potential stocks. Because right now, okay, what the reasons why is that market drop badly. Okay, sometimes yes, you have a technical rebound for a few days, or maybe sometimes it hold a little bit later it drop again, right? So sometimes we don't want to rush in immediately. Okay, in this kind of situation. Okay, let's go for something that is more. Someone is watching one. Then gets the other day gap down. Sorry, not gap down, but limit down. Okay, after limit down, yesterday holding well. Yesterday volume I believe is even more higher. Okay, let me see. Yes, even more higher. Okay, now use hourly chart. This one I think is almost game over lah. Even though yesterday is a high volume candle. Okay, but let's see from this hourly chart here. Okay, cannot really tell hourly chart. Okay, 30 minutes. I know lots of people want to do a little bit of short term from here. So if you're really interested in short term, maybe you try to aim for this resistance at 1.7, 1.69. Okay, maybe we have some technical rebound, then maybe we challenge support again. All right, so we need to be careful on that parts. Okay, normally job with widespread candle high volume is not a good sign. Of course, yesterday is a 2 days ago is a yesterday. Okay, it's a high volume candles. But we still need to see the subsequent few days. Too early to tell whether this one will shoot back up. But for me, right now, it's still showing some sort like a weakness. Okay, for net gates. Okay, so that's net gates. Any others? I think just recently also some of the plantation counter, even though it's not performing well, but some actually still holding. Ta'an, no. Okay, HS plant, I think yesterday is still pretty good. Yeah, it didn't hold above this level. Okay, let's see whether it can back to this so-called shakeout zone or not. Back to this support, I think would be nice. Okay, but right now, still okay. Not to say very bad, but definitely the sell is not too strong yet. Okay, JPG yesterday with a big hammer. Okay, kind of like that. Okay, so hammer. Okay, hopefully they're back to this zone. Okay, if let's say back to this zone, this is like a shakeout. Okay, shakeout, and then chances for them to retest resistance is better. Okay, so I think JPG definitely worth to watch out as well. Okay, let's try SOP. Okay, let me know any counters you have. If not, probably just going to end our section because yes, today is calm market, but still didn't have much of the setups. It has been too bad for 2-3 weeks already. Okay, so this one also, unfortunately, it cannot cross. I thought you're gonna cross this trend line, but tarde. Okay, next one is BM green. Okay, BM green. Okay, BM green still a support. Okay, this is like a flag patterns. Okay, triangle patterns. Okay, for those that who are keen and interested. Okay, so yeah, this one actually still worth to look into it. JPG, MSM, BM greens. Okay, all this actually still good. Okay, KJTS also pullback completed, but yesterday is a scary one. Okay, it looks like they are trying to wash out lots of players from here. Okay, so it's trying to goes up, but in the end drop, pushing back again. Okay, but one thing is that this one actually quite high already. Yeah. So yeah, maybe also I prefer MSM all from bottom all this. Okay. Now the other one been hit quite badly is WCT. Okay, looks like today also started to show a bit calm already. Okay, but do remember this is a narrow candles with so far it's still low volume but we see until after lunchtime or maybe 3 or 4 p.m. But let's say narrow candle still again it didn't show a strong rebound. Again, maybe yes, it will do a little bit of technical rebound. Right, somehow this week or maybe next week. Okay, but after that, subsequently, probably it will continue to show further weakness. Okay, in the chart. Okay, any other counters you may look into? Okay, everyone's so quiet now today. Okay, or maybe busy buying stocks already. Okay, today, like I say, also nothing much. Okay, maybe hopefully towards the afternoons, 3 or 4 p.m., we will see a better setups, okay, forming in some of the stocks. Okay, I'm personally looking into Inari as well. Okay, but unfortunately, it dropped below this high volume. So let's say sometimes high volume, it will have like few rounds before it goes up. Okay, so we want to wait for that. Okay, be more patient. Be more patient. Okay, Gamuda. Okay, Gamuda inverse pullback patterns. Okay, Gamuda inverse pullback patterns. So something that usually I don't really like that. Okay, a bit similar like like naked as well. Okay, so here what it means is that going to the top, high volume, drop, widespread candle, high volume. Okay, now here I thought it's going to be okay already because they break back to support, but it dropped again. Right, so of course, yeah, here go another high volume. So okay, now Tan, if you are looking for if you plan for these trades, okay, so I can say you watch this level closely, 4 ringgit. right? Drop below 4 ringgit, you have to decide already. Okay, I'm not sure looking for long term, short term. Okay, looking for long term analyzer. 4 out of 9. Okay, it's not the good one currently, maybe because of price going up. Okay, so that's why the rating is a bit low. Yeah, lah, 4 ringgit I think would be the support level that I think you need to decide. If let's say it break below. Okay, now OSK. Okay, OSK still trending. Oh, I'm surprised OSK is still good. Okay, so OSK OSK at least they are going up in stages. Okay, so going up in stages I think is okay. So what it means by stages is that okay, for example here, okay, goes up, okay, stage of reaccumulation goes up, stage of reaccumulation goes up, stage of reaccumulation. Okay, so looks like here able to make a follow through. Okay, so for me, yes, if you're looking for something that maybe goes up slow and steady, so far OSK still yet to show any weakness. Okay, still yet to show any weakness. Okay, but of course this one have been go up. Wow, this one have been go up for years already. Okay, slow and steady type lah. Okay, if you ask me, definitely is better than Gamuda in terms of chart. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call, I might be wrong. Okay, but based on current situation right now, OSK looks as slightly better. Okay, so FA wise is roughly about the same in terms of price KF score ratings, 4 out of 9. Okay, so just like Gamuda also 4 out of 9. Okay, but I believe the TA was definitely much more better. Okay, so OSK, yes, I would say good setups overall. Okay, good setup overall. So support, I think currently actually is one of the support. Okay, 1.8 is a good support area. If not, you wait for them to touch the 20 MA. Okay, probably sometime they will rebound from the 20 MA. Okay, now last one before we close, let's go to Genting M. Wow, still break below than yesterday, this support level. Okay, if you ask me, no. Okay, I'm not sure whether Yao is looking for entry exit, but I would say entry. Okay, if you really want to enter right now, is the support lah. Okay, that's why I draw this line. This is how much? 1.85 lah. Okay, if you really want to enter now is the support lah. Okay, but if you ask me the daily patterns, I would say it's bad. Okay, I would say it's bad. Okay, if you really want to enter this kind of counter, you wait for at least a period of sideways. Normally gap down with high volume, right? It won't really so-called jalan that fast one sometimes. Okay, you have some times to do accumulation support area. So if you are looking for entry, maybe you wait for those. Okay, now SDG, okay, another good pattern. So this is my BM green, but BM green is in the time frame is somehow longer. This one is slightly shorter. This is again a triangle patterns. Okay, recently actually break above triangle. Overall, I think it's okay. If you ask me, yesterday dipped below a bit. So today's open gaps. Okay, so around 5 ringgit. I think it's so far so good. Okay, for those who are looking for long terms, this is a bit similar like so-called OSK. I think just now Tan asked, right? So yeah, at least it show a real purpose of structure. Okay, so what it means is that, like for example, SDG, but this is damn long term one. So here is a period of so-called reaccumulation. Okay, breaking above this so-called main resistance. Now looks like they are trying to retest support, maybe going to another round again. Okay, so yes, chart wise, I think SDG is quite good actually. It's quite good. Okay, now let's look into analyzer here. Okay, 5 out of 9. Okay, not the best one, but okay lah. So trend wise is still okay. 6 out of 10. Okay, net gates. Okay, net gate issue setter. Okay, the news I'm not sure lah. I didn't really follow the news, but let's see whether the chart was okay. I think just now we also review already. Now, if you ask me, in terms of chart, still not so good. Okay, even though yes, yesterday it tried to go back up, holding with high volume. Okay, all right. Now let's look into weekly. I don't think weekly can show anything also. Okay, so let's go back to daily. Okay, let's see whether I can pull up some more information, especially insider buy. Okay, this candle here got people buying. Okay, Datin Tan and Dato Oi is buying. Is it the owner? Didn't really follow. Dato Seri Wong. So they're also, this one selling, this one is buying. But this one selling in a very small number. Okay. Datin Tan and Dato Oi buy in a bigger numbers. Okay. So it looks like the owner itself is supporting the counters. Okay. But if you ask me, is this settle really? I don't think so. Okay, this one usually distribution with widespread candle. It's not easy to settle the candle, the type of trend. So okay, technical rebound probably yes. Okay, which is happening yesterday and today. Okay, maybe we'll touch here again. Okay, somehow this period resistance. Okay, so over here, if you are interested to so-called enter this kind of counters or this kind of trades. Okay, so watch out this level. So you don't want to see like shooting star or fail to make a follow through. Like for example, sometimes they goes up already. 1-2 candle, they drop back again. Okay, so here, for example, a tail touching, then they drop again. So some, which means that here actually got lots of sellers. Okay, maybe second round of distributions might happening somewhere around here. So another example is like this. Okay, like this. Goes up, break, but subsequently the next day or next 2 days they drop very fast. Okay, so again, this is a sign of they push up already, but people continue selling. Okay, so if you are in net gates, monitor the resistance. Okay, yes, I think this few days maybe we'll have technical rebound, but the overall structure is not there anymore. The structure I think is in distribution phase. Okay, a bit similar like Gamuda. Okay, if you ask me, Gamuda, I also think that maybe potentially they are in so-called distribution phase. Okay, the few reasons why is that okay, it's a bit similar going up with high volume, and the candle is getting wider. So one of the sign. Second is the drop with white candle on high volume as well. Okay. Now today also something funny is that okay, you see this one even though it's considered also white candles compared to here, but the volume is very low. It's damn low. Okay, so sometimes when the bar going up, white candles, but the volume is extremely low. Something that is not that right also. Okay, now the reasons because if sometimes not because of sometimes the candle going up, yes, of course we know the buyer is more than seller, right? Okay, but it going up also because of the seller is reducing. Okay, so a little bit of buyer, even though not much, right, it will push the prices up. Okay, I want to see those that with lots of buyer, okay, with small seller. Okay, so which means the volume candle will be higher most of the time. So I would like to see that. Okay, but this one low volume, which means that the buyer probably is not as strong at this moment also. Okay, so yeah, against if you're interested in this kind of counters, watch out at this resistance. A bit similar like how KRC move like currently. Okay, so if let's say there's no questions, once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. So as usual, nothing much today, but definitely market become a bit calm already. Okay, this morning over here. But doesn't mean selling is over. We have to monitor again until end of the day, or maybe I will continue to monitor until next week. I'm not going to rush myself to enter any trades, okay? Because sometimes market up down also got a calm periods, right? So this is a calm period, so all right. So again, thank you for joining me. If you haven't joined my Telegram, do join my Telegram for more discussions, and I'll see you again tomorrow.